My name is Lavanya Gaur. I was born and brought up in Delhi.
There are two points that I wanted to hear, but you did not say.
Can you tell me when Ganga is a major tributary of which river?
While answering, you yourself said that largely policy domain is of the legislature, isn't it?
So what inspired you?
There's a revolutionary change that has been brought by Odisha government.
Why did they choose hockey and what have they done actually to revive the sports?
Can you tell some difference between...
What do you think is a major problem for Ganganagar as a district?
Job is selected for engineering services. So what are those other alternatives which are equally or better than marriage that you see?
As a student of sociology, how do you think humanity would react to an existential threat?
Fundamental issue that capital of Andhra Pradesh is not yet resolved. So why it is not resolved and what needs to be done to resolve this issue?
Currently, I am an IPS officer and I am giving this attempt again.
In the last 2 months, we've seen some sort of political differences arising between Europe and America. What are the reasons for the same?
Overall, I believe that neighborhood first policy is quite effective in our neighbors.
But I'm still not convinced about the differentiation between optimism and positivity. Would you like to try again?
Because if I'm being the senior, then they should not think that I'll only give them orders and they should follow them.
You belong to a Jain community, which is considered to be one of the most principled communities in the world.